In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Meta AI on WhatsApp web. The short answer is that there's no toggle to enable. Meta AI is already built into WhatsApp's newest search and assistant system. I'll walk you through how to access it on your computer and what to do if you delete the conversation and want it back. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and press enter. From the results, click the official WhatsApp website to open WhatsApp Web. If you're already using WhatsApp Web, it will load your chats. If not, the page may ask you to link your phone by scanning a QR code. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be in. Once WhatsApp Web is open, take a look at the left-hand panel where your chats live. Meta AI is integrated right into this experience, so there's nothing extra to install and no setting you need to switch. In many cases, you'll see a dedicated Meta AI option or icon in that left panel. Clicking it opens a chat where you can ask questions, get help, or try creative prompts. You can also use the main search at the top to start with Meta AI. It's part of the new search and assistant flow, so the experience is designed to feel seamless. If you accidentally deleted your conversation with Meta AI, don't worry. The chat is not gone for good, and you do not need to turn anything back on. Simply go to the left panel again and click the Meta AI entry or icon. That action instantly opens a fresh conversation, ready for you to continue. Think of it as reopening a tool that's always available rather than recovering a lost contact. A quick recap to keep it simple. Go to Google, search for WhatsApp, open the official WhatsApp website, and once you're in your chats, look to the left panel for the Meta AI option. There's no extra setup required because Meta AI is built into the latest search and assistant system on WhatsApp. If you clear the thread or can't find your previous messages, just click the Meta AI icon again to start a new session. If Meta AI doesn't appear for you, it may roll out gradually depending on region and app version. Refresh the page and make sure you're using an up-to-date browser and the latest WhatsApp web experience. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy exploring Meta AI on WhatsApp web and use it whenever you need quick answers, ideas, or a bit of assistance right alongside your chats.